Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Steph here. I'm the Secret Slob. So I know you're probably seeing progress with your routines now. We've been doing those for just a little bit over 2 weeks. And I just want to remind you that if something's not working, make sure you're crossing it out and putting in place something that does work for you. Today we're gonna add another task to our kind of weekly plan. They're called daily focuses. This one I do on Tuesday, but you can choose to do it whatever day works best for you. So it's called Plan and Pay. Now in the original Fly Lady system, she calls it Plan and Play, but I added Pay in there because this is the day that I use to pay all of my bills. I used to wait until the end of the month to pay my bills, and the problem with that was if I forgot, all of a sudden I had lots of late payments, and I was forgetting a lot because I was really disorganized. So now I take, just 5-10 minutes, whatever time I have on Tuesdays. Most of the banking I do is online now, and I just make sure that any outstanding bills I have are getting paid. I find this is better for our financials too because I'm checking in more often with where our bank accounts are and what kind of bills we have coming in. The other thing I add to today is kind of all the home administration stuff. So writing cards, sending out invitations, checking my calendar and making sure that all of our dates line up, signing up for things, reminding myself to sign up for things, just all that kind of secretarial work. So I found this has really helped me make a difference in the organization of my home and making sure I'm not paying overdue bills and late payments all the time. So I encourage you to take a little bit of time today to set up as much stuff as you can on auto pay, do some online banking, and just take care of some of that paperwork stuff. If you have stacks and stacks and stacks of paperwork, what I want you to do is tackle 1/2 inch or 1 inch of paperwork. Get out that big stack you have, put it on the counter and just tackle, 1 inch or 1/2 inch. You weren't working on it anyways, so it doesn't matter if you don't get the whole thing done. Next week, maybe you tackle a little bit more. As the weeks go on, this will get easier and easier and easier because you will be in the flow and you will have systems set up to make it easy for yourself. So that's it. Make sure you are able to set systems in place to make paying your bills as easy as possible, and then double check through your calendar so you're not missing things like appointments or scheduled dates, things like that. I'm gonna do my Plan and Pay right now, and I will talk to you tomorrow. So you'll notice on the 21 days checklist, there's only one little blank spot. That's because we do the Plan and Pay once a week. So I'm gonna do mine today. I've got that checked off, and then I crossed off the weekly clean. I left that open so that you can do it whatever day works for you, but I did mine first thing on Monday, so I'm gonna cross it out for today and check everything else off. And then moving over to the weekly cleaning schedule, there is a little spot there for Tuesday Plan and Pay. Cross that out if you want to do it on a different day, or just write in the few things that you need to remember. So for me, it's bills pretty much every week I need to just check in with, and I need to pay my school fees. So I'm going to put a little check mark beside it because I got those both done today, and I am good. Tuesday is taken care of. Thank you so much for joining me on this 21 days to a clean home journey. I know you're going to see a huge difference in your house and in your life. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to follow along to the end of the series and let me know how you're making out with your progress.